Mahi here. Now, I am officially a BTech CSC student. First year of college will be starting soon, and I will be moving tomorrow morning for my college. So, I have prepared a checklist. I will be packing the stuff, and let's pack together. And now I am so excited that I will get a lot of content to post. I will literally have a lot. And so excitement, yay! So let's start packing up. I have packed my clothes and some small stuff, but a large list is left. So let's start packing. So first I have packed my clothes and college uniform. I will be buying it down. I'm a lot confused. What should I pack and what should I not pack? Confusion. Good morning, people. It's 6:30 a.m. and we are ready to go. Here I have packed all the stuff. Bag 1, 2, 3 and 4. And fifth one is on me. I have a lot of stuff. So we are going. Finally. Let me show you the luggage. It all goes. Shoes, some stuff, clothes. 1, 2, 3 and fourth one is on me. Fit check. Got set for the first day of college. Is it good? And the bag. Let's go. I'm going to Miss Daily. Do you know, guys, this is raining outside. It's raining. I will meet you when I keep the luggage in the car. Ta-da! Okay, we are all set in the car. This is our music playing. And the best buddy is going with us. अकेला इंसान 4 बैग उठा रहा हूँ, 4। ये इंसान मेरा टेडी बियर लेके चल रही है और इसको ये बहुत भारी लग रहा है। मम्मी आप कुछ कहना चाहोगे? मम्मी की स्माइल से पता चल रहा है मम्मी की तरफ कहीं आ जाते। हम अभी कॉलेज से आए हैं, वहाँ पे कुछ फॉर्मेलिटीज़ पूरी करनी थी। अब मेरा कॉलेज स्टार्ट होगा 2 सितंबर से। We took some rest when we get home. Now it's time to unpack things. Let me show you. Here is my bed, my stuff, and I have a study table. Something we have times, and I will keep it on my study table. Here. Okay. Let's begin. You guys wanna see the view from my room? Guys, see the view. Just see the amazing view. Here I am. Hi. People, it's the next day, and today I am going to just check out around the place so that I can get ready to the place where I live. So first let's have the breakfast, then we will go outside to check our surroundings. Here is our breakfast. In breakfast we are having dal. So let's have it. Okay, we have done with the breakfast, and this is my room. my room. So let's grab our comb and make our hairs first. Headphones. Where is my comb? Let me find it. Here I found it. I didn't have unpacked every single item, but I have unpacked a lot of things. I brought a lot of stuff. So let's get ready and go to the market. I am heading out to explore around. So let's explore. See the sky. Hi people, I'm back home. I shopped a little stuff from the market outside and I went to check out the way of my college and just to explore the place because it's new to me. So let me show you now what did I brought from outside. So with the here is the stuff I brought. First, it is lunchbox. Okay, because I didn't. Second, it's a body wash. Sunscreen. Because I need it from outside. Candies for college, so I can keep some stuff in that. Let's unbox this. It says stainless steel lunchbox. I like the color so much. It's so chopsticks. Lunchbox have chopsticks. I think there are just fork and spoons, but they have chopsticks. Chopsticks. So next vlog will be posted on next Friday, in which I will show my first day of college. I got the plan from my college yesterday when I went there to do the formalities. I got a proper plan of how my orientations are going on, what are the timings. So I have a proper schedule for 3 to 4 days now. Actually, what 3 to 4 days? First 6 days, 3 4 days will be going in orientation, and then 5th of this vlog. I will see you in my next vlog, which is gonna be the orientation program in my college and freshers party and a lot of crazy stuff. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will meet you in the next vlog. That's it. Bye bye.